Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect your Payoneer account to Etsy so you can start getting paid securely. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Etsy account and head over to your shop manager to complete your onboarding. Under the Shop Preferences tab, select your shop's language, country, and currency. Click Save and Continue. After naming your shop, you'll reach the How You'll Get Paid section. This is the most important step. Under Where is your bank located? Select your country of residence. For many international sellers, Etsy will automatically prompt you to use Payoneer as your payment gateway. Click on the button that says Connect your Payoneer account. A secure window will open. If you already have an active Payoneer account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and follow the quick prompts to fill out your business details. Here is a quick pro tip. Ensure that the name and details on your Payoneer account match your Etsy account information exactly to avoid any verification delays. Once you've logged in and authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to Etsy. And that's it. Your accounts are officially linked and your setup is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.